Hello students, in previous video we read about the metallic minerals and now we will start non-metallic minerals. You read that the non-metallic minerals are which are made by the sedimentary rocks. Now we will read one by one about them. First is the mica. Mica is the marsupiate light color and biotite black are the most abundant varieties of mica. The two striking features of mica are its thin sheet structure and luster जो शाइन करता है. मिका जो है इट इज़ वेरी फ्लेक्सिबल एंड इलेक्ट्रिसिटी लो थर्मल एंड इलेक्ट्रिकल कंडक्टिविटी इसकी बहुत अच्छी होती है. ग्राउंड मिका इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड एज अ फिल्टर और lubricant which is used in the cars or the vehicles. India is the leading producer of muscovite mica means the light color, followed by Brazil. Other producers are of mica US, Tanzania, Zimbabwe and Argentina. High quality mica is found in Jharkhand, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. Next non-metallic minerals is limestone. Limestone is the common building material especially in North America and Europe because it is readily available, relatively easy to cut and withstand almost the weather. And the limestone is sedimentary rocks. It is composed of the cellulite. Major reserves of limestone are found in the US, Canada, Vietnam, Denmark and France. Salt, you are aware absolutely about the salt. Salt is an important mineral and the only one that human consume. And halite the sodium chloride, the same mineral that is the used as the mostly the all countries are produce the salt, but in India rock salt is found in Himachal Pradesh. Sea salt is obtained from Gujarat, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh, while brines is found in the Rajasthan. And India is well abundant with the numerous metallic and non-metallic resources. In addition to the resources mentioned about the India has 4 minerals fuel. यहाँ पर अराउंड 52 मेजर नॉन मेटेलिक रिसोर्सेज हैं और 11 मेजर मेटेलिक रिसोर्सेज हैं एंड 22 मिनरल resources in India found world the third largest producer of chromite. When now next point is what are power resources. अब ये भी सोचना पड़ेगा कि पावर रिसोर्सेज के बारे में आपको होता है कि फ्यूजल फॉइल्स की जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, जिसमें हम कॉमनली पढ़ते हैं कि जो हमारे नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज हैं. तो नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज दीज आर फ्यूजल, पेट्रोलियम, कोल एंड नेचुरल गैसेज अकाउंट फॉर द 80% ऑफ द ग्लोबल एनर्जी. 80% एक तरह से जो कंज्यूम वर्ल्ड करता है वो नॉन रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज को करता है. एंड द 5% ऑफ प्रोवाइडेड बाय यूरेनियम एंड अदर मेजर मिनरल्स. The remaining 15% of the provided by renewable sources such as hydropower, wind and solar energy. Newer sources such as the biofuels and the biomass are also renewable resources. These are called the non-renewable resources. These are the petroleum, non-renewable है. It takes to make the millions of years and it is known as the black gold and the liquid gold also. It is used to for the many purposes, to run the vehicles, domestic purpose, lubricant machinery, run the industrializations and many things. Petroleum provides a large number of energy products such as the petrol, diesel, kerosene and the aviation fuel. इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा है. इंडिया में इसका जो लार्जेस्ट प्रोड्यूसर हैं वो हैं सऊदी अरेबिया, ईरान, इराक, यूनाइटेड अरब अमीरात, कुवैत, Qatar and the Bahrain. Egypt, Libya, Myanmar and Brazil also the main producer of the petroleum. In India, if you can find out the Assam, Gujarat, offshore, Arabian Sea, Bombay High and Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Arunachal Pradesh. These are the producer of petroleum in India. Next point is coal. Coal is the fossil fuel found in the layers of the varying thickness in the beds of the sedimentary rocks. ये इसको बनने में हज़ारों साल लगते हैं. It is used to generate thermal electricity and run the industries also, and it is also used to the domestic purpose somewhere. Natural gas also the 20% of the world's consumptions of the energy is made by natural gas. It is also used for the many purposes, like running the vehicles, and the natural gas is the cleaner than other fossil fuels. We know that it is good for the environment also. And in India, Andhra Pradesh, Gujarat, and Assam, Rajasthan, Tripura, Tamil Nadu, these are the producer of the natural gas. 8% of the total power generated as the natural gas. Now, what are the renewable resources? These are available all the times, and they cannot be exhausted. The in this renewable resources, first of all, hydropower, which is the hydroelectric power and produced from the generators of the driven by the water turbines, and located in the dams and restricted in the control of the flow of the rivers. It is used to produce electricity also, and accounts for the 24% of the world's electricity produced by the hydropower. And solar energy, sunlight is the largest source of the non polluting renewable. बहुत अच्छे से आपको ये पता है कि दिस इज द नॉन पोल्यूटिंग renewable energy received on earth. Solar energy can be directly converted into electricity by the solar cells, यानी कि photovoltaic cells. इसका एग्जाम्पल आपके स्कूल में भी है. यू कैन सी द stairs. We are using also solar panel to for consuming the electricity and produce wind power. It is very important source of the energy which is used to generate electricity and increasing rapidly, and the estimated wind power could eventually replace the fossil nuclear fuels. Denmark, it is the 20% of the electricity is generated from the wind sources. Germany, Spain, US, India, Italy, and Netherlands also are the consuming the wind power to generate the electricity. Other we have also tidal power, biofuels, and other are the geothermal power. These are also consumed at the source of energy. And the last point is very important for us, the conservation of the minerals. Ki how can we conserve to them? It is very important कि we should protect our environment, because our environment is also greatly impacted by mining activities and other activities, and we must wondering about what you can help to do to help the individually. We could reduce our needs. हम लोग अपनी reduce कर सकते हैं needs को, थोड़ा reuse कर सकते हैं, और products and recycle waste कर सकते हैं. This may require making certain changes in our lifestyle and the looking for the alternative sources. कुछ अल्टरनेटिव सोर्सेज भी ढूंढ सकते हैं जिसमें रिन्यूएबल फॉर आवर नीड्स वुड बी द गुड बिगनिंग. हाउएवर मिस यूज ऑफ रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज कुड ऑल्सो लीड टू डिप्रेशन एंड द रुइन. हम उनको इस तरह से 3R यूज़ करके हम लोग कोशिश कर सकते हैं कि अपने जो मिनरल्स हैं उनको बचाएं. 3Rs मीन द रीयूज़, आप उसे कर सकते हैं, रिसाइकिल कर सकते हैं, और प्रोडक्ट कर सकते हैं, रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं. इन तरह से यूज करके कोशिश की जा सकती है कि मिनरल्स को सेव किया जाए. थैंक यू. हैव अ नाइस डे.